Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. So in today's video, I will show you how I made this awesome Jamaican recipe, the good old Toto. Now you know we had Toto for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Sometimes when you don't have any money, you can just roll up a Toto, have it with some nice chocolate tea or just any tea, as a matter of fact. When you look at this, it's just perfect. So let's jump straight into the video, guys, so you see how we made this awesome recipe. Let's go
So I
into the
have all my
video.
dry ingredients here. This is 2 cups of flour. I have baking powder, and here I also have my sugar. So I'm gonna put my sugar in, not a whole lot at first. I'm gonna mix everything together nicely. Combine everything. Also have some coconut trash. So this is what I use after. So I'm gonna put that in. Then we're gonna go in with our, this is a coconut milk. So this was a leftover, so I decided why waste it. This is 1.5 teaspoon, 1.5 cup, sorry. I'm going to 1.25 cup, and we're going with another 1.25. And you're gonna basically mix everything together. You put the amount of sugar in there depending on how you want it to taste. Alright. I'm also gonna be going with a little butter. You know, butter always give it an extra kick. And I also have 1 egg. So I'm gonna go in with the egg. I remove the eye from the egg because I can't take the rawness. Going with some vanilla. Although vanilla was in the before. And you mix everything together nicely. So this is the melted butter. Everything is coming together real nice. Woo. You want to taste it to make sure it's not too sweet. Rest of sugar. So basically 1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar. You don't want it to be too sweet. This seems like it's a little bit too watery, so I'm going to add just a little bit of flour to it. So we're basically done. This is the consistency you want. I had to add a little bit more flour. Remember, it's freestyle, we are freestyle. So our baking tray is nicely greased. And we're basically pouring everything into it. And then we're going to bake. So this is the finished product, guys. How do you test to see if it is ready? If you notice right here, I actually touch it and it went down. It did come back up, so I know it was not ready. Wanted to stay in the oven a little bit more. So normally if you touch it and you see it come back up, you notice, then you know it's actually ready. Instead of using a knife to put through it and then nothing comes up, that's another way you can test it. There you go, coming right back up there. But I already see some issue with this one, but I will share with you once it's cool and we cut it. Product, and we're gonna cut till there it is. We're gonna cut to see what's the outcome. right? We're gonna cut to see the outcome. You don't want it to be too soft and you don't want it to be too hard. So we will see what this consistency is. Don't feel too bad so far. So let us see. So there's no need to put browning in your toto. You notice the color? Wow. There. Looking good. There it is. Nice. I like it. It looks good. Thank you for watching.